Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a small number above a letter in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put a small number above a letter. Firstly, write a letter. Now I write the X letter. Now I want to put small number above this letter. Go to the home menu, then click the superscript option, then write any number. Now we can see we put a small number above this letter very easily. Now we increase this font size to see the number better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.